In today's video, I'll be showing you how to disable keyboard vibration on your Samsung Galaxy A24. So first, you'll have noticed that whenever you go to type something out and you're holding your device, your keyboard vibrates whenever you press on a character. To disable that feature, all you need to do is go back to the home screen, and in the home screen, select Settings. Under Settings, look for the option General Management. Then tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings. Next, scroll down until you find Swipe, Touch, and Feedback. And here, you should see the option Touch Feedback. So tap on that, and then you should find Vibration. So to disable this feature, tap on the toggle like that. And then when you go to type something out, your phone no longer vibrates. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.